Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 12th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. Okay, things are starting to turn around a little bit. So we have the first green candle in 7 days, 7 working days. So it's nice to see. We closed up $40.20, 4.68%, closed at 909. Post market, we are just down a little bit. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we are officially back into this bullish channel. We are back into this bullish channel right here, bullish channel. So we came outside of it yesterday and we were zigzagging inside, outside, inside, outside. But today we came back right inside it. So this is nice to see. 857.36 is a nice support. It was helpful for a couple of days. 842.98 was helpful right here. So we could be also, as I mentioned this week, we could be into this congestion channel at the same time as within this upward channel. But that's fine. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, so as I mentioned, yeah, this bears repeating. Stochastic over 60 is your ticket to freedom. If you don't have stochastic to over 60, be very careful if you want to invest into a stock, because without stochastic over 60, the moves up are not valid. This is what happened here. Then today on the first hour, we had a nice bounce up on 857.36, a nice bounce up right here, longer wick at the bottom. And then from the second hour on, we got stochastic over 60. And look at the stock, boom, boom. So very nice day for Tesla. It seems like on the 1 hour chart, we are part of this channel right here. So the move was to get in right here on the 1 hour chart and just wait for the second hour. Maybe this is clearer on the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart, on the 10 o'clock candle, this was a great big candle. At 10:05, we were outside of this downward channel right here. And then we did a little bit of a move up, tried again the support. Look at how the moving average was touched and was used as support. And then we just launched. And look at how perfectly the moving average is touching right here and right here. This is just nice to see when things are working out like they should be. So coming back on the daily chart, the stochastic is climbing back up a little bit. It came down, but never went below 60. So that's great. So this told us that this move down was not very significant and was just temporary. And this is exactly what is happening. So stochastic at 82, MACD got crossed over a little bit because the move here was big enough and long enough to have a crossover of the two moving average that constitute MACD. RSI is great and DMI is great. Okay, so it seems like things are back into place. Let's ride this pony a little bit. We should be able to go and reach over $1,000. And then when we are going to come to this resistance right here, we are going to have to check very carefully because 1, 2, 3 times we failed to reach it. And we need to keep our eyes peeled for this one. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. So yesterday was not a super day. It was an iffy day a little bit because VIX came back up a little bit. Now it kept going down. We have stochastic at the VIX at 5. No force in the VIX. There's no force there, so it's going down. Happy to see it. Dow Jones, nice move for Dow Jones, getting close to this important downward resistance again. We touched it twice. Are we going to cross it for the third time? S&P 500 getting close to the resistance again. This is going to be very interesting days next week. Nasdaq broke out of it. We broke out of it. First day broke out. Second day came back down. We were not sure enough. And now, yes, we are continuing. So this is great news for Nasdaq, and Nasdaq 100 also the same thing. So fantastic. even though we have inflation, even though we have wars, even though gas is up, even there are so many things going bad, but it's still coming up since mid-June. So let's just enjoy this ride and pocket the money. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We should be able to talk on Monday and on Sunday. I am not sure because I'm taking a week of vacation again. So I'll try to do what I can for Sunday and for Monday and Tuesday of next week. So I cannot promise anything. I'm going to bring a laptop and see if I can do it. If I show up, consider it a bonus, but I'm going to try. I can't promise, as Bart was saying in The Simpsons, and this is just a joke, I cannot promise I'll try, but I'll try to try. Thank you very much again for all your support. At the worst, we should be able to talk on Wednesday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.